This YouTube automation channel is blowing up. It uploaded its very first video just 24 hours ago, and guess what? It's already getting millions of views. But here's the crazy part. Another channel saw this video, copied the same idea, and now that video is also getting tons of views. So what's going on here? How are these faceless channels going viral so fast, and how can you do the same? Stay with me till the end because I'm breaking it all down step by step. So I decided to create a brand new, unique channel. Just like that. But here's the best part. I used an AI tool to do it. Did not cost me a single dollar. Yes, I started my own faceless YouTube automation channel. Totally free. There are so many viral topics you can choose from, like animal rescue videos, and guess what? You can make these kinds of videos without showing your face and without spending any money. So make sure you watch this video till the end and hit that subscribe button. Let's get started with creating powerful viral videos using this simple AI tool. Now let's talk about the AI tool we'll use to make these viral videos. It's called VEO3, Google's powerful new AI tool for video creation. But hold on. You might have heard that VEO3 is a paid tool. And that's true. But here's the good news. I'll show you how to use VEO3 completely free of cost. First, I'll show you how to make the same kind of video you saw earlier. No voiceover, just simple text to video, 100% AI generated. We'll create the full video step by step, and I'll teach you exactly how to use VEO3 without spending a single dollar. So, let's jump right in and start creating your viral video. To make a video like this, we'll use ChatGPT. Once you're inside ChatGPT, just paste the exact prompt I've written for you. I've added it in the video description below. All you have to do is change the title to match your video idea. You can even copy the title from viral channels if you want. Then, hit the generate button, and in just a few seconds, your video prompts will be ready. You can also make small edits to the script if needed to match your style or topic. Alright, now that your prompts are ready, it's time to create the video. We'll do this together. Take your first prompt and go to this website, flow.googlelab.com. I've added the link in the description below. Once you're there, just sign up and log in. It's quick and simple. Now we're ready to use VEO3. Here's what you need to do next. After this, you'll see an interface like this on your screen. Now take the same prompt you used earlier in ChatGPT and paste it into the box here. On the left side, make sure to select text to video. That's the option we need to turn your script into a complete video. Choose how many video clips you want. Then, in the model section, select VEO3 beta version. Finally, paste your prompt into the text box. And that's it. Now click the generate button, and within just 30 to 40 seconds, your video will be ready. As you can see, the result is amazing. The video looks clean, professional, and eye-catching. Next, simply download your video. Then, just repeat the same steps. Copy your next prompt, paste it in the same settings, and click the generate button again. That's how fast and easy it is to create stunning AI videos. So now you've created all your videos using the same method. They'll be saved to your device, and you can easily download each one. Once your videos are downloaded, you can edit them using any video editing app. I personally use CapCut. It's free and super easy to use. Just open CapCut, click on New Project, and import your video clips. After clicking on New Project, tap the Import button. Now import all the videos you created using VEO3. Next, drag and drop each video clip onto the timeline, step by step. Take your time to adjust and organize the clips in the right order. Once everything is in place, you can start adding transitions, effects, and more. This is where you make your video unique and eye-catching. With just a few edits, your video will look professional and ready to go viral. Now I quickly add smooth transitions between all the clips. It makes the video flow better. You can also apply cool video effects to make it look even more professional. And just like that, our video is ready. Click on the export button, and your video will start downloading. Now go ahead and watch the final video result on the website. The final result is coming up next. If you want to use VEO3 completely free, don't worry. I've already made a full video where I explain everything step by step. In that video, I show you exactly how to use VEO3 without spending a single dollar.